If you want to buy Tesla on SuperEx Spot using USDT, here's exactly how to do it. Step 1. Open the SuperEx app, log into your account. If you're new, complete registration first. Step 2. Go to Spot Market, tap on Spot. In the search bar, type TSLA. Select TSLA USDT. This is the spot trading pair that lets you trade Tesla using USDT. Step 3. Choose order type. You'll see two main options. Market order. This buys immediately at the current price. Limit order. This lets you set your own buy price. If you want instant execution, use market. If you want a better entry price, use limit. Step 4. Enter amount. Enter the amount of USDT you want to use or the amount of TSLA you want to buy. Check the total cost carefully. Step 5. Confirm the order. Tap Buy Tesla. Your order will appear in the Open Order section if it hasn't been filled yet. Once filled, your TSLA will appear in your Spot wallet. That's it. No leverage, no liquidation risk, just straightforward spot trading. If you want simple exposure to Tesla without futures complexity, Spot is the cleanest way to do it. Open SuperEx, search TSLA USDT, and start trading today.